Today we will be making instant mashed potatoes. Here is my step-by-step list. Okay, step 1, gather all ingredients, the milk, butter, instant potato flakes, and water. We have milk, butter, instant mashed potato flakes, and then I will be using water from my sink. Okay, so step 1 can be crossed off. Step 2 is to gather the materials. We need a big fork, a bowl, a measuring cup, and a spoon. So I got a bowl, my measuring cup, a fork, and I got 2 spoons, a big one and a little one, because I'm not sure what we'll need. That is step 2. Step 3 says to make sure to be near a microwave, which mine is right there. Step 3 is done. Step 4 says to put the bowl, fork, spoon, butter, milk, and measuring cup in the table in front of you, which mine is all in front of me at the table. So step 4 is done. Step 5 says put the milk, butter, and instant potato flakes in the table in front of you, which mine is right here. Okay, so step 6 says we are going to use the measuring cup to measure 3/4 cup of water. And this measuring cup has dimensions labeled in here, and 3/4 is down there a little bit, so I'm going to go to the sink and fill it up to 3/4. It can be hot or cold water because it's going to be in the microwave, so it'll get warm anyway. And we're going to pour this into the bowl, just like that. And that is step 6 that we are done with. And now we will go on to step 7, which is add 1/3 cup of milk to the bowl. So we're going to use the same measuring cup and go to 1/3, which is less than 3/4. Okay. And then we're going to pour that into the bowl as well. Awesome. And now we are done with step 7. Step 8 says to add 1 spoonful of butter into the bowl. Take our butter. And then I'm going to use the little spoon because you don't want to put that much butter in there. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to put this into the bowl. Maybe add a little more. There we go. Okay. Now we are done with step 8. And then step 9 says to mix all these ingredients together with the spoon for about 30 seconds. Okay. It should still just be a watery consistency or texture. Okay, so we are done with step 9. And now we are going to add this bowl of ingredients into the microwave. Now that is step 10. And then step 11 says to press the number 3 to cook for 3 minutes. So I will show how that is done. So press the number 3, and now it's cooking. And now we wait. That was number 11, so we can cross that off. Number 12 says to press start, but my microwave does it automatically. So if yours does not do it automatically, press start after hitting the 3. And then while you're waiting, you can get the rest of the ingredients ready. So I'm going to open the box of mashed potatoes. And we are done with the butter, so we can start putting stuff away. Step 13 says to remove the bowl from the microwave when the microwave beeps, and to be careful because the microwave or the bowl will be hot. So I'm going to use this oven mitt. Got a minute left. Okay, so we took it out of the microwave, which was step 13. Okay, so I'm going to cross off step 13. Alright, before we move on to step 14, I do want to show you what it should look like. It's just liquid, nothing to make it fluffy in there yet. Okay. Step 14 says to use the same measuring cup to measure 3/4 cup of your potato flakes. So you're just going to pour from the box into the cup and measure at 3/4. Okay. Right. And the 3/4 is the same amount of the water that you put in earlier. So 3/4 cup water, 3/4 cup potato flakes. Okay, and now that was step 14, so I'm going to cross the step off. Step 15 says to dump the measured potato flakes into the bowl. So we're going to dump these into this bowl. Okay, so we can cross off step 15. 16 says to mix all these ingredients with the fork, because the fork will get it fluffy. So we're gonna mix. And then step 17 says to mix until visually fluffy. And if you don't know what fluffy looks like, then for about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, I think they look good. So we're gonna cross off step 16, which is mix, and step 17, which was to look for the visual fluffiness. And then this is what the potatoes should look like. Pretty fluffy instead of that liquid texture. And then the last step is to enjoy and eat it, because it's done. Yum. Thank you.